Susie Dingle's Shadow here with a quick design tip. Consider shadows in the garden when you're making your designs. This is a trellis that's behind me and also a tree. I love coming out into this area of the garden this time of the day because the shadow lasts for only a couple of hours and then it passes. It makes a beautiful pattern on the sidewalk. The other thing it does is it creates a mood. Now, the mood can be playful, mysterious, intriguing, all of those things. And you can create shadows with all kinds of objects. I have a bench that has like a filigree background on it, and it casts a lovely scrolly shadow. Things that hang, lighting, all kinds of things can cast a beautiful shadow. You can also create a shadow at night by lighting a tree on one side or the other and having the shadow projected onto a wall. In this case, the diagonal pattern here in the front interrupts a little bit. It's almost like a transition point for someone walking. They also have to think a little bit about where they're going because of this pattern on the ground. Now, if you had this pattern, this railroad track pattern, all the way straight through without any interruption, it would probably cause a person to walk more quickly. Our brain would register a regular pattern and then it would just ignore it the rest of the way. But in this case, it's further interrupted by the grapevine that's growing on it. So that might make a person slow down. And then over here, we have a pattern that shifts to the right because the trellis is actually taller up over there, and that causes it to be further on this side. Until next time, keep dreaming in the garden. Bye.